Well, here we are. Let's see what's going on in here. We've been working on these things for the past couple of days. The shop is a wreck, dude. We've had so many projects. What up, Trevor? What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up?
Show everybody what we're working on. What are y'all doing?
We're doing a little bit of carburetor switcheroo on this one, getting gas everywhere, but you know what?
It's all good, man. You're wearing your safety goggles, right?
This one was great until somebody sank it in the creek.
Look, hey, man, look.
I'm not gonna name names.
But I was testing it, and it's fine now. See, look at it. It's fine.
This is not a water vehicle.
Jablaze,
What's up, Chase?
today will be your first day ripping a four-wheeler, right?
No, it's cap.
Like, what if I told you had to drive a clutch? Could you shift gears with a
No, I
clutch?
can't do that.
Oh, well then you're cooked, bro. It's over. It's over.
You gotta teach me.
You think you can rip this one, brother?
Now show me how to clutch it or whatever.
Show me how to clutch it. It's crazy. I know a lot of y'all, you've probably never seen my garage, or you have, and maybe a few videos, never seen exactly what we do, but this is what the other side of it looks like. Got all the toolboxes and scattered stuff everywhere. Little bar area. Got a couple small blocks I'm building. Got a little 5.3 LS over there and a Mopar Magnum engine. Got a little torque storm we'll put on that thing. It's gonna be cool, but yeah, man. So we've got 6 of these TRX 90s. I bought 5 of them from a guy off in Kentucky, and we're using one of them for parts. This one right here I just picked up last night for $900, and we swapped the seat over onto it off the parts one. Put an air filter on it, and we just this morning we just put back brakes on it. So shout out to Amazon Prime for getting them to us overnight. It was nice. All right, we're gonna get these things going, I guess, and we'll just jump to the conclusion and get to clutching. See y'all. Boom, we're here. All right, so the sun is going down in a few hours. We got all of them ripping except for this one. That's the parts rig. But yeah, we have dealt with how many hours of carburetor problems, Carson?
Stupid hours.
Stupid hours. I told everybody to bring their own helmet. Carson pulls up with this one. Yo.
Sir, pull over. Pull over now.
Yo, what is that? Yo.
We ride it down, boys.
That ain't gonna save you, bruh.
Let's go.
The hockey mask. All right, cool.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Hunter, which one you riding?
This one right here is the one I'm picking.
This one?
Because it has the monster sticker, it means it's faster.
Okay. This is gonna be your first time riding a four-wheeler, huh?
Yes, sir.
Well, I think that what's the second best running one we got? The Old Yeller runs really good. I mean, you just got to stick to the name.
Yeller?
Yeah, Old Yeller. All right. Jablaze, you said you're looking to clutch something, so.
I think I'm gonna clutch this one right here.
Yeah, this is a good running one. That's a good rig. I've named this one Warning. So his name is Warning. You take Warning.
Yeah, he's got one. I got Monster.
This one, I know it's like the parts one, but this one's got that factory no Shimura on it.
The factory what?
Oh, it has no.
Here, show them what you're talking
It's
here.
got that, look at this. We all know that aftermarket parts add horsepower. That's that no Shimura right there. Yeah. It's really just,
This was like the fastest one though the other day when we were running them.
my boy Shaw's probably won plenty of monster cups with this thing, so.
Cool. Well, you take Shaw. I guess that leaves me with, I don't know, what are we gonna name this one? Somebody cut the back fenders on it. Did you see that? Or like maybe they like broke off. So we got Monster, Sticker Bomb. What do we call it? Shaw? We gonna name it Shaw? All right, so we got Shaw, we got Monster, we got Old Yeller, Warning,
And the Rescue Ranger.
the Rescue Ranger. No, what do we call this one, man?
Man,
It's got this is a 93. I believe that was the first year they made the TRX 90. I also just realized when I touched this thing, the whole thing's ready to fall off.
retro one, so.
The retro one, we name him Retro.
Got a couple battle scars.
Red Retro.
Red 40.
Red 40.
Red 40. Red 40 it is. All right, let's go rip, boys. Let's get in the woods. I think, what do you mean?
You think this?
You can do anything you put your mind to.
All right then.
Oh yeah, second. Why is he bouncing on it like that, bro? Why does he do that? Yo.
We don't teach that kind of stuff.
Yo, why is he bouncing?
Gotta figure out what it can do.
What it can do.
It can do anything you want it to, but it's a TRX 90.
Right here.
It can do anything. It's a TRX.
It's got the power. It's a Honda.
Say it. It's a Honda.
It's a Honda.
Like you mean it.
It's a Honda.
Boys look scared. That was a wet one, baby. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh.
He's so mad.
Yo, you had it though. That was fun.
Man.
Look at that.
Oh, dude, I'm bone dry. I'm bone dry.
There you go. Neutral it. It won't start if it ain't neutral, goofball.
I tried. I really did.
You weren't clutching it hard enough.
I'm trying to clutch it hard enough.
I think Trevor should hit it in the Ranger one time.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah?
Oh, shoot.
Hey, you better go full speed, brother. Dude, what do you think's about to happen?
Man, you gotta sink this thing.
He's about to sink it? You think so?
Everything in the trunk's about to just go in the and go in there.
All our 90 beers are going away. Oh. Ah! You didn't put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Safety first, Trevor. All right. He's going again. Yo! Yo! That was pretty good, dude. That was pretty good.
I think
How do
she
you
won.
feel after that?
Happy and wet.
Check out Hunter, bro. He's just living his best life.
Here we've got a wild Huffy in West Tennessee.
We got to hype Wilkie up. Like, I think he's
He needs a little confidence boost.
a little confidence, yeah. Wilkie, first time on a four-wheeler. You having fun?
Oh yeah.
We are all gathered here today because we would like to convince Wilkie to hit this water hole in third gear full pin. And Wilkie, we want you to know we can hear when you're not full pin, brother.
Oh, we know. We can hear it. All right. We can tell. I can feel it.
I can smell it.
There's no juke at us.
I can
All
taste
right. One way around it.
There's actually no way around.
No way around
Oh, coming out next week.
You know what, Wilkie? Just go straight down the water in the center of the water as far as you can until it stops. Bro, you're not gonna kill it. It's a Honda, baby.
You won't kill it. You won't kill
It's a Honda, baby. It's a Honda, baby.
It's a Honda, baby.
So is a ridgeline.
He said so is a ridge line.
We don't like ridgelines around here.
Tell everybody you're going full pin.
I'm gonna go full pin.
Say it. Look in the camera.
You gotta
look
yeah.
at look at them.
Quit making it awkward, bro.
Look
Just
at
look
them.
in the camera and say
I'm gonna go full pin.
it again.
I'm gonna go full pin.
One more time like you
With your
mean it.
chest.
I'm gonna go full pin.
Full pin.
You're not
I'm an idiot. I'm not even on.
You don't even have it on.
All right.
All right, full pin.
Full pin.
Full pin! Full pin, baby.
Lord, I hope he does.
Go! Full pin! Go! Go!
You didn't go full pin.
I'll tell you what.
Now he's full pin.
That's full pin.
Now he's
He
full
wasn't
pin.
full pin.
Old Yeller's a trooper, man.
Yeah, bounce it. Lean back. Bounce it.
Yeah! You know what I'm starting to think's happening here? Maybe he can't swim.
Damn.
You know what? He
You
is.
think Wilkie can't?
I'm not letting out the gas.
He might. I don't think he can swim.
I think he's
Canadians
scared.
Can
swim?
Canadians swim?
I don't think so, man. He's landlocked. I think Toronto.
Oh, dude, they don't have water over
Maybe
there.
that's the problem.
That's.
Wilkie just told me that he wants me to hit it because he thinks it keeps cutting off.
I swear I had it full out. I
Full
had it
pin.
full out.
Ah.
All right, here.
What has to happen?
Watch out, guys.
It's gonna cut out on him.
See it. Oh my gosh.
you do? Maple syrup in the gas tank, Wilkie. It doesn't run on that.
I owe Wilkie an apology. I told him that four-wheeler was nothing wrong with it. Everything was wrong with it. Tell me this isn't the most fun you've ever had on a four-wheeler.
This is, I mean, nothing tops this.
It's like, it's an even playing field for everybody, you know?
Except that guy. I don't know.
Except him, yeah.
He's trying to drive up a wall.
Hey, man, what do you think about having a race?
I'll win.
You'll win?
I'll win.
Dude, this thing is tapping bad. Oh, brother, we need to check the oil in this one.
As long as you hear tapping, you know the valves are working. So.
This sounds like it's about to blow up. Oh yeah, it doesn't sound good, partner. Found a mud hole.
Found a mud hole.
Dude, show me. Hit it, brother. Oh! Yo! Dude, stagnant, man. Oh, 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 oh! Hold it! Hold it! Yeah! He almost made it, dude. Oh! 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 Yeah! Are we going? Come on! Hell yeah! Oh! He's coming in with some speed! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh!
Wow.
Yo, I just ate shit, bro.
Well, boys, that's what a full send looks like right there.
Oh, hold that, hold that. Hold that. My legs under. Woo!
Yeah, man.
I forgot the downshift.
So you're hitting this again, huh? Yeah.
Do it again!
WWDD, what would Dale do, boy? Come on.
Yeah! Yeah!
That's
yeah.
a proper send right there.
Yep.
Oh my god. Yo! Oh! Man, the Jablaze technique did not work. Oh! She's starting to slip.
Don't go back again now.
Oh. Oh my god.
I'm gonna hurt myself. What's running over there? Is that old Yeller? Is this still running?
Yeah, Old Yeller's still running. Old Yeller's a champ.
She's a trooper. Something's telling me that old Yeller can make it through this.
She's been running.
She's oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh! Oh! Oh, Yeller! Oh, no. She cut. Nice. Good. Good roll, boys.
He said, I'm cooling off in the creek. You boys need to cool off in the creek.
It's a little hot outside. This has got to be good for our open wound. I mean, he's really good at knocking them back, you know?
He's got a soft landing.
Well, we made it back to the house. Barely. And, barely. Yeah, barely. Old Yeller rode back in the back of the Rescue Ranger. So, anyways, now we're about to clean these things off before we call it a night using some of our favorite Lucas Oil products. So, thank you, Lucas Oil. know this ain't meant for this, but wiping this whole thing down with tire shine, it smells so good. Dude, as soon as I walk out the door, I smelled it. But it makes everything shiny and it makes hard for dirt to stick to it. So that's just what I like to do. Wookie, I'm sorry I told you that old Yeller was fine.
Hey, it did well for a little bit.
It did a good job, you know. We're gonna fix it, take it back out again. We're getting them all wiped down. They're starting to look really, really good. Got old red 40 polished up right here. Look at her. Not bad, putting that work in. Hunter, how's yours coming along?
Good.
Oh yeah.
Take care of the fastest machine we got here.
It's awesome. Hey, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. We got a whole bunch more content coming like this soon. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and doing fun stuff like this with some of my crew is a lot of fun. I also want to say thank you guys for supporting us and just giving us opportunities to do really cool stuff like this and do it together as well. So, but yeah, man, come see us on the road. ChaseMatthewTickets.com. You can find merch at ChaseMatthew.com. Really, you can find all of it at ChaseMatthew.com. And don't forget, keep chasing. Always keep chasing. Chase your dreams and chase whatever makes you happy, man. Right?
Keep chasing.
Keep chasing, baby.